Hey everyone! If you want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails without using complicated design software, Pixlr makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you how to create thumbnails in Pixlr from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, create a new project and choose a custom canvas size suitable for YouTube thumbnails. Next, upload the images you want to use in your thumbnail. This could include photos of people, products, screenshots, logos, or other visual elements related to your video. After uploading your images, arrange them on the canvas and resize them as needed. Try to keep the main subject large and easy to recognize, especially for viewers on mobile devices. Pixlr also offers templates that can help speed up the design process. You can start with a template and customize it to match your content and branding. Before exporting, zoom out and view the thumbnail at a smaller size. This helps you see how it will appear on YouTube and whether the text remains readable. For the best results, use bold text, strong contrast, expressive images, and a simple layout that communicates your video's message instantly. And that's how to create thumbnails in Pixlr in 2026. With a few design elements and Pixlr's AI-powered tools, you can create professional thumbnails that attract more viewers and improve your video's performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.